You show up on me? Which part? Which part of me show up on? Which part of me look like McGrady? Take a good look. I look like McGrady?
Yeah, I said greedy. The food.
The food that show up on me? Which part?
And you? No, specific. Part.
Jesus Christ. Now Papa Josie. Let's say a grace. Come here. You see I told
One time I put the food up on.
Good morning, guys. We are having Jamaican Sunday morning breakfast. So this is ackee. For all who don't know ackee, Jamaican national dish. Ackee and saltfish. And this is green plantain and a slice of bread. So if you're a Jamaican, you know say Sunday morning, Mama cook this for breakfast. It's a one Jamaican Sunday morning breakfast. And the list goes on. Delicious. No? Joy. Huh? Really, me know me see one, which is me think of the Jamaica number. Alright, me take it off. Yes, guys, so at least a breakfast where we eat on a Sunday morning as a Jamaican. Ackee and saltfish, callaloo and saltfish, liver, steamed cabbage and saltfish. What else may I leave out? Enough things. If you are Jamaican, if you are not Jamaican, when you go to Jamaica, tell them to get ackee and saltfish. As me eat my food. Remember them times. Me a foodie.
You tell us that.
Somebody on YouTube.
Somebody.
I don't know. Me I eat. When you look on you, if you say you're a foodie.
Me they tell you that you just say, rare.
Who no love food? Food is life. You love food too. Then say you're greedy.
You know what? I will post a video. I will carry kitchen, put your kitchen on social media, so. I mean, comment. We don't want to comment.
I direct say so. Nobody else. Because of the video where we that talk about with the food.
With the food.
With the food when you say. When your sister cook a little tip of food. Like that.
I really know. We do it a damn time now.
But Sean look like she not gone for an appointment. She'll go for the place where me and Colette and Pinky they go with.
I thought they.
She did forgot last week. She never gone.
Up here.
Wow. Never remember. And the good old chocolate tea. Jamaican chocolate tea. Cocoa.
Cocoa.
No, I know cocoa. A cocoa they call it.
No. Chocolate, cocoa.
Why cocoa again? Cocoa is chocolate.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think so.
Yeah. Cocoa chocolate.
called cocaine.
No. Guys, my breakfast done too quick. Me wanna still eat.
Where did they? No part.
But I still eat. Me still feel like me wanna eat. Breakfast nice, you know. Jamaican breakfast nice. Especially on a Sunday morning.
Bell short, man.
No, me I try bell.
You hold it back, man.
Me I try bell, but it don't come out like going.
If you want belch, I say, go. Bring it up. Yeah, but so like, yeah, hold it
Alright,
back.
take a deep breath.
No, just ease up and work with it.
Let me not try.
When you go down, so like that, bury it.
Me I try to let it out.
Just that one.
That don't come out.
But open up and let it out.
Open up your airway.
You're supposed to go down opening up.
What?
So you're supposed to go down opening up.
Why?
Open up.
Open up the door.
Open up the passage. Passage.
Hallelujah.
Passage.
What are your favorite Jamaican breakfast?
Ackee and saltfish.
Should even bother ask you that, can me know?
And chocolate tea.
Remember one Christmas me and you go up and mommy and she cook callaloo. And that was the best callaloo I ever eaten in my life. Oh my God, the
So I'm not
callaloo.
cooking on gear yet.
And I tell her, no matter how I cook callaloo, I cannot get it like that. Nope. One Christmas morning, I call mommy. I call her, I tell her, I said, I'm going to come up for Christmas morning.
Yeah.
That happened.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
That a belch. You know, say, I have a list who have the worst habits. I'm still going to do it this morning. And that's one of them.
I don't know the rest of nothing about habit.
It's just
try that. What's the phone?
a Sean phone.
One phone. Share more than one phone.
Two.
What should I use here?
One of them in Jamaica.
The one in Jamaica phone.
I think so. She left with two of them here last night.
Two of them she left. She come back for one. See two of them there.
Another phone she came on a while ago. So bad habits is what they call things that you do as a human. Them feel like it's a bad habit. It's just a habit. Like
Bad habit of things like we don't have to do. That sounds stiflish. Just like when you fart and you squeeze it, you know, if it go loud. Sometimes the one when you say, oh, that's the one that not go loud.
You know, me never used to say fart until when me know you.
What you used to say?
You know too.
His body?
Yes. You broke me out. Me never used to, you know, say certain things. Because even sometimes when me say it the right way, you will say fart man. Or
Yeah.
oh my gosh.
What a relief.
So,
We use our word every day. Fart. You ever think about the spelling of fart? Or you just spell fart?
F-A-R-T.
Yeah, you can spell it, huh? But how we pronounce it, fart.
Fart.
That's the way you spell it, it says fart. How we say fart, you fart. Fart and fart is really the opposite of the past tense of fight. But fart, past, yes. Poop is a body.
Ease my body, me used to say. Are you poop man? You know? But even when you say poop, it sounds weird. But, like, when me say fart, deep down in my gut, it just
Like
feels
your
wrong.
balloon.
Yes. Deep down in my gut, it just feels wrong. My born down in the bush and same thing, you know, but we have discipline, you know.
You say fart, that's not discipline, or discipline and not discipline.
Me have discipline, like, me know.
It's our word. But it's not a Jamaican word either. The word they use globally. Because American,
Yeah, they use it
a
too,
word
yeah.
too.
They use it. But
Fart.
like it just feels wrong. You know? Like I correct. Because if we couldn't say that as a child growing up, we could not say that. If mama or papa here would say that, them definitely would have flagged we butt. What you say?
So that means they would have flagged for say shit too. Shit.
You poop, you easy, but you
Shit.
dodo. Them say dodo. Penny must say dodo. You know if you say shit. When you say shit, that is disrespectful to them.
But
Going with the beat for that.
I don't know about the beating part.
But like,
yeah,
could I
that's
say
like,
no manners
yeah,
or
something like so. The beating part. So,
right.
so
So that's why we know say deep down in our gut we know say it not right. Because if we never used to use it in front of our parents.
deep down now go take no right. It's nothing wrong with it. It's just football. Parents them they just I mean I gotta say more to say football, yeah man, because I where I grew up.
You don't want Shannon say fart
The
in front
training
of
I
you?
get. Me not have a problem with that. We won't really have a problem with that. Shit. You know? Shit is an English word. It's a word that you can spell. And fart, my mother teach me to spell fart, you know. You know she spell it now. P-H-A-R-T-Z.
Okay.
Fart.
P-H-A.
Some of them belch.
One way. Me know if you spell it.
Belch. Belch is not. It's a Jamaican word that you know. Belch.
Burp.
A burp at the right word.
Right. Burp are the right word.
And we used to say a baby burp.
Yeah. Growing up we used to say baby burp.
Yeah. If you was a big person, you say burp. I said, I talk about burp. A baby.
Yeah.
Bench, man. You tell them when you know so fool. I'm not gonna say a foolishness right now because that's our culture.
Yeah.
And in a matter
But we
what,
think it was right. Like when them said that, we think it was right. Like it's only really baby burp.
yeah.
Yeah. So until when
And big people bench.
right.
But really and truly, any word where we use Jamaican culture word, we're not gonna say a foolishness. Our word, our word, our way of talking, our word, and you're spelling feet.
Right.
We can't put words together and spell it. So I teach you know get.
For real.
You know, they call it brainwash. It's a form of brainwash. It's a form of to put our one aside and use for them one. And say our one a bad word. And we a chat bad or no spelling no there for that.
Yep. So we don't eat breakfast. And we're gonna do a quiz.
And
No.
we're not talking about little food, I'm just don't need to know. Just don't need. Can't afford for so much talking. I'm done my hungry again.
More food than they can eat.
No.
You're not hungry. You're not hungry so easy. And when 5 o'clock come and I'm ready for eat like a dinner, you say, on a Sunday, you say, you're not hungry. When 6 o'clock come, you're still not hungry. Your belly little so. While for me big so.
Measurement for your one.
Oh my gosh. And I look at your belly little like just you discipline yourself so you're not eating no food.
Yeah, so all the people in my say I'm greedy. I'm greedy, I'm this, I'm that. You hear that? Discipline. It's a mind control thing.
I'm disciplining himself, guys, to eat. So,
One big meal a day.
one good meal a day. He used to greedy when he liquor, but he not greedy no more. Me had a greedy one.
Sure, man. But everybody just show man.
No. Look how me look hot and sexy. Which part of food I show up on me? Look how me look hot and sexy. And I look hot and sexy? Eh? Oh my god.
You're too hot for that day. Too hot.
No, so can't
You
bother.
need some coolings. You want some ice water?
No. I just drink chocolate tea. Alright, so to what?
That not too fly past too long time. 3, 4, and 5 hot.
Alright, so a video here I go long.
That already long.
Stop it and do the quiz.
Quiz.
I have a quiz.
So you never prepare for quiz. You can write this off your key and all.
Alright, so I'm gonna do it now before. Okay guys, this video is going to be too long. So Obiana is going to do a quiz. Who have the worst habit? So this video is gonna break right here. We're gonna cut that video here right here, so and then continue it in another video. God, this is way too long. So look, so it called question for couples. That one is gonna title question for couples. Okay guys, so look for that one next.